Thank you very much. My name is Omar Mvinyyi. I'm an expert from Kenya. Generally speaking, what I have observed in Abkhazia since the last presidential elections and even this one is that the people of Abkhazia are very friendly people. They are very friendly. The way they conduct themselves is they conduct themselves as one people. The election does not divide them. It is a way of just picking their leaders, and they are doing it very nicely, very peacefully, very organized. The Electoral Commission has made it so easy for any voter to come and cast his vote without any problem. The areas of voting are free, everybody can access them, they are known to everybody. There is no interference of whatsoever from any person, and everything seems to be flowing very smoothly, and definitely the outcome would be acceptable to all of them without any problem. One good thing that we have observed is that here the Abkhazian have accepted to use the women as the organizers of the elections, and they are doing it perfectly well. I congratulate them and wish them well. Otherwise, generally, the elections are being held very peacefully, very organized, and the result will definitely reflect the wishes of the people. Thank you very much.